In this PointMan tutorial, I will be showing you how to create an excavator one-call ticket using PointMan. To begin, let's create the excavation project boundaries. First, select New in the upper right-hand corner. From the System drop-down, select Excavation Site. In the Component drop-down, select One Call Request and hit OK. Fill in the details. Note that some of these fields will be auto-populated. Enter the city. Select the work type. And enter the street address. Select OK to finish. Next, create a polygon area of the excavation site and hit Save. Selecting the Details button, you can go in and view all the information for the one-call request. For the final step, insert a point to show where the work will be done. New, select Excavation Site. In the Component drop-down, select Point Feature and hit OK. Place the point on the map where the excavation work will be completed. This concludes our tutorial on how to create an excavator one-call ticket using PointMan.